Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, we are taking a look at Coreweave is being unstoppable over here. Is this the time to buy this thing? Well, time to buy was at $87 around, and I also gave that level in the zone the day of the breakout to my members on Patreon. So, if you're not on Patreon, you missed out the early move. However, and also if you don't have access to my tools, then also you moved out the earlier move as well. I like to give my confirmation after extra confirmation. But if you have access to my tools as well as turn them on, this is where strength came back up again, right? And so that was around $80. So 80 and even 87 was extra confirmation. That's why when I tell my members on Patreon, I just want to see extra confirmation as well. But hey, if you are trading it, you're willing to have a good stop loss, which my tools all helps you for that, then you could have played at even at $80, and we are still bullish at 101. Now, does this mean it's not the time to buy? We'll talk about all of that in this video. If you need access to my tools, details are in the description of this video. Everything related to my Patreon is in the description of this video. Before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Coreweave is bullish, still bullish. Definitely we are extended, so buying here we have to be a little bit careful. Like, buying should already have happened, okay? Now, if you're looking to buy now, well, you can try a small position, but just remember a pullback can happen. So let's talk about until where the pullback would just be fine and we will still be bullish, okay? And that is the same level, $87 to $88, that blue zone. As long as we stay above that, it's just going to be a pullback in the longevity of the structure. I'll give you a level on the lower time frame as well, below which some multi-day weakness may happen. That means in this ongoing position from $80, if you have access to my tools, $80, you would have taken this position, and where you should at least take some partial profits if you lose one of those levels. I'll talk about that in a moment. Let's take a look at the weekly interval as well. A weekly interval is just what I want to show you is that $87 is our trailing area. As we continue to stay above that, structure will remain on Coreweave bullish. Now, how high can we go? Let's get to the daily interval again. We have a room to test $150. I would not go much further than that right now in the ongoing price target. I want to see how the price behaves over there. If we get there, once we get there, and as long as structure stays bullish, that remains our target for now. There's another zone of $114. That zone may also give Coreweave some pullback. Stocks don't just go guys straight up. They can, but most of the times they do a pullback. So $114 could be the zone of a pullback. Now, let's get to the hourly interval from where we are until where there is nothing to worry, even in the current price action. If let's say you took a position from $80 until where, well, I would just suggest use my tools, but also if you just want to have an early indication of a little bit where some weakness may happen, I'm not worried on Coreweave until this even multi-day $94.70. I don't want it to lose $100.80 at this point. If we lose it, everything is not lost, but some multi-day weakness is possible, okay? But until 94.70, I'm willing to stomach, or I should say price action is still strong enough that you can stomach this little bit of a drawdown there. Well, it's not technically a drawdown, because if you took a position from $80 when my tool gave those signals, but it's just that you can a little bit size down still below $100, take some partial profits, and until 90, if we lose 94.70, then I would suggest you gotta size down heavy and then wait for the pullback to complete. My tools will gives you all those signals, and then so anyhow, we are bullish, and Coreweave, if we can get another push up, that will push up us to 114. Definitely today is Friday, so the next move we are waiting for is on Monday. So, but so far everything is looking just fine on the stock price here of Coreweave. It is bullish, got bullish at $80. Anyways, that's all I had for you in this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.